Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are now filming Lab 6, the final lab for our robot. So you have some connections to the H-bridge and the connections to the op-amp setup, which connects to the photodiodes, which you're already probably familiar with from the previous labs. New to this lab, though, we have this orange, red, and black wire that they connect up to the servomotor here that controls the rotation of the photodiodes to sense if the light is, well, they sense if the light is going up or if it's going down, and then it rotates so that the photodiodes more closely follow it. And then this yellow and this green connect up to our sonar rangefinder. Green sends out a signal for it to send out a sonar pulse that then gets reflected back, and then based on the time it takes for that to reflect back, it can then send a different signal through the yellow wire that Arduino processes and uses to determine the distance of objects in front of the robot. So all of this is to say it's now a lot more versatile. It's really good at light tracking and not running into things generally. So just to show the servo motor, you see it's rotating down because the flashlight is down, but now that it's pointing up, it's going to be rotating up to follow the light. So if we hold the light directly above, it goes all the way back. And luckily we've also been able to set some rotation limits just to make sure that it doesn't break our 3D printed cover or the PCB with the photodiodes on it, because that would be bad. We like it when our robot works. Alright, we're going to finally show some of his light following capabilities. So you see he's going to be rotating the PCB head to align more closely with the light. And then as we stand back, we can get him to follow us. You'll see him adjusting periodically for some of the drift that comes from his wheelbase being a little bit uneven. And you see him turning to follow us as we turn this way. Sometimes he gets a little confused. He has a hard time with reflective floors. Now if we turn back this way, he's going to turn to follow us. We can get him to turn around all the way. Now let's try to get him to run into a wall just to test his sonar rangefinder. Oh, come on. He's wiggling a little. Now we just get him to run up, and boom, he stops. When by all other means he should be going forward, he has stopped. And it's because of this surface right in front of the sonar rangefinder. So anyways, that is Lab 6. Thank you so much. And remember, we made this robot too slow to catch up with us if it turns evil. So you're in no danger.